Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. Back in the cold. Actually, it's not too bad. Coldish workshop because the sun's shining. Look out there, look. So man, the guys are working on doing some mapping at the moment, some IVA stuff, but the sun is shining through the door. So that must mean the brighter days are coming for these cars. So what we got here, got JC's car we're on with. This is a Cup chassis with a Mazda 1.8 MB engine. If you've not seen this build video as we've been going through it all, it's basically everything Cup, which is, if you don't know what that means it's got the billet front uprights, 265mm discs on it, really nice setup, plenty of braking power, cross drill and grooved, billet caliper which is a wheelwood on it. It's got same on this side, got the billet upright caliper, and then rolled to the back we've also got you can't see it in here, but we've got a billet bracket with a wheelwood 4-pot caliper, and then you roll into the backs, all independent rear suspension, forward base diff in there which has a 3.92 ratio with an ATB diff in it, all brand new drivetrain. We've got the fuel tank setup all done in here, our low impact crash bars here. This is more track focused cars, so it's got a brace here and metal work here to stop for the low brace for here. Fog light, this is for road legal stuff that's on. It will have a FIA rain light put into this as well. And a nice carbon based boot cover. Nice material, all matches with these, which are your IVA covers for your seat belts to take away the sharp edges. So they're all really nice and tidy. Got number plate light down in here and all the LED light pack. We're focused into the interior. Then I'll spin around in there. What we got going on here, padded tongue top, got the handbrake lever. It's a custom top because of this. This is not normal, and you would have seen in the build, or if you haven't, your first time watching, this is not normal gear lever for a Mazda, is it? Because it don't go left and right for neutral. It only goes forward and backwards. So it's a 6-speed SADEV sequential gearbox attached to the MX-5 1.8 MB engine, which is a custom bell housing made from by SWR down in Harlow. Amazing company to deal with. That's in a very nice clutch behind it and everything else. So we've got that, and we've also fitted on that a flat shift system, which is going on flat on the upshift. Finishing off the dashboard, we've still got the graphics to put on here, but we've got the AIM dashboard, battery kill switch, fire system for the pull cord. It's got a big fire suppression system going here, and all the switches for each individual bit, which main beam, lights, ignition, all of those bits going in as well. It's our little steering wheels that are on here, little 270mm with a collapsible boss for IVA, collapsible steering column, and a simple GRP race seat with 6-point harness here and a 4-point lightweight one on the passenger side. It's probably most of the time will not even be in the car, I think. It's taken out, bit of weight saving, beautiful paint job, beautiful fluorescent. I mean, that is stunning, the colour scheme. It probably don't come out how bright this roll cage is. Probably seems a bit more yellow, but this is, trust me, sunglasses are required. We've got the aero screen on here, little fabric perspex one here. We've got the little protective film on it still at the moment. We're finishing the fitment. And then engine bay, all nicely detailed. It's in this VHT wrinkle finish paint. Engine's been gone through. All of the little lines that we've made here coming through for the returns, the radiator all coming through. They're sort of blended in. We put this mesh on them, blend them in up to the header tank for your return. These have all been paint matched as well into there, and a reroute kit. So if you don't know what a Mazda reroute kit is, I'm not going to teach you how to do it, but we do a reroute kit here. So we take the top of the head instead of the front of the engine, which will be normally down here. We take this, it goes all the way to the radiator, and it just helps with bleeding the water through the airways and just better for cooling. We have under here, and I've got to pop it off for you, the nose cone. Let's just show you what's under here. We'll rattle this off, move them out of the way a second. That's it, pop that, and we'll pop. I'll get it off, there we go. Right, what we have made and laser cut up is a cold air intake system. So we've got our 70mm radiator, and this is a bracket that if you want to run an oil cooler, and it also helps with ducting, forcing the air into the radiator. We can close this bit in as well here. If there's an oil cooler going in, we'll change it, but if not, we'll close this bit in, so it forces it through the radiator, but also separates it from this scoop coming in here on the nose cone will go into this. So we have an air chamber that gets trapped. There's a rubber edge that goes around here into our branded hose. So we've made this laser cut and then colour matched it again in the wrinkle finish. All in, so you've got a cold air, ram air type impact for the engine as well. Just help it breathe better, go better. And hopefully develop a few more horses as well. You know, that should be nice, but it looks really cool, and we'll be hoping to get them into production and offer them. So we do here, just to the side, you can't tell, but there's a little tabs. So this one here, we're hoping that we'll be able to pop this tab out, and with the turbo stuff, maybe look at coming in this side if we needed to. So this can come out or come in this side. So we're looking at working on that at this moment in time as well. All the braided hoses right the way through for the breather system into the catch tank, all done. So yeah, next job on this will be starting it up, running up to temps, checking for leaks and everything else. Of course, you need to nip up the coolant lines. They should be all right, but it's a final check, and then we'll get it on with the emissions and start. Joseph will jump on the laptop there, make sure we get the emissions. The exhaust is all attached. It's got a cat in the silencer. You'll think, well, where's the catalytic converter? Well, it's actually inside the silencer as well. So that's all linked up and done. So car's like really close to being finished off now, super close to being finished off. So we'll roll it out of here into the sunshine, start it up, run it up, get it on the emission machines. That'll be the final thing, get that working, then off to IVA. So super close, finish it up. It's got to have a stripe kit at some point, but that's it. But if you want to know more about the Mazda car range, the RX-5, the Sprint, Cup 200, any of the cars that we do here in the factory, come and see us here. Be great to see you. Or Race Retro, which is coming up at the end of month of February, because we're almost, January is out. Amazing, it's gone. Nobody likes January, do we? Nobody likes it. So into February now, that'd be cool. Getting into the first show, and then March the 11th for our first track day at Donington with Javelin Track Days. Look that up. Keep an eye out on our events calendar throughout the year. We're going to be doing some more of them. We've got 4 events and some more shows coming up. So we'll keep you informed about that as well. But when I know more about the cars, you want to come in here, have a test drive, etc. And whatever models we've got here, then you know what to do. Hook us up, phone call, email, or come and see us at the factory. Right, that's it for this week. Remember to, got to go, phone's ringing. Like, share, subscribe. Catch you next week.